In today's video, we are tackling the interior on the JDM Evo 8. We got a brand new shift knob. We finally got the OEM mats, floor mats, all the way from Australia. And we are gonna tackle other bits and pieces, and we're also going to shampoo the whole carpet of the car. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Guys, I don't even know where to start, but these floor mats are insane. They look so good. I wasn't able to find OEM floor mats from the dealer for the JDM Evo 8, so I searched and found this company that makes OEM plus floor mats. They are fitted to the T. They're supposed to fit perfect according to the description, and they're supposed to look OEM as hell. So this was the closest I could find. This is the company that I was able to find in Australia to do these floor mats. And guys, to be honest, I know you guys saw it in the cinematics, but they look so good. And I know the lighting is not super good right now, but man, they came out super nice. These are handmade to order. They are a bit expensive, but honestly, for me, anything's worth it for this car. So, and also, let's not even forget the shift knob. I was finally able to get the carbon fiber rally R shift knob, which I wanted so bad. It looks crazy. You guys can see it from here. It is a piece of art, honestly. Love it. This is gonna look so much better than this blue shift knob this car currently has. So anyways, I also got this center AC part from my friend Tony. Thank you. I really appreciate if you're watching this video for giving me that piece. The JDM Evo interior has one of the flaps missing, which is kind of odd. I don't know what happened there. But again, thanks to my friend Tony, you're the man. He had one of these extras sitting down in his garage. He gave it to me. So we're gonna go ahead and basically restore the interior. Try to put it new again, as OEM as possible, obviously. And this piece, I'm so excited for this car as a whole completely. Before we do go ahead and install this, it just made sense to give it a shampoo on the carpet. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the Recaros, give it an upholstery shampoo clean, shampoo the carpets, and then if you guys haven't used one of these things are amazing. I call it the smoke grenade. These things, you just turn on the AC, it smokes the whole interior of the car and it makes it smell super good. I got the new car scent because we're going with the new car style on this car, obviously. So let's get to work. Enjoy me working, enjoy the time lapse, and then I will go over how these things look on the car. In Japan and in Australia, apparently they have this middle part for the floor mat, which in the US is not common. So we're gonna have like a middle piece for the little tunnel where the drive shaft is. This is gonna be super cool. Anyways, let me go ahead and start working. I let the interior dry out overnight. I know you guys missed this one. It will be back soon for more videos, but it came out so new. It's crazy. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but the difference is night and day. Now we just need to worry about the steering wheel. But let's go ahead and finish this video. We have the best part yet. We're gonna do the little grenade so this whole interior can smell like brand new. We also have to do the shift knob, and then at the end, last thing we will do is put the carpets. And this interior is almost new. It looks so good, guys. So good. Alrighty, so we are in what I call the smoke grenade. I just wanted to explain this to you guys because maybe you guys don't even know what this is. If you guys don't know what this is, you guys have to try it. So you're just gonna pop the bottle. If I could do this, yes. And now what we are going to do is we're going to put this in the middle. I usually prefer putting it here. You could put it here in this part right here. But what you have to do is turn on the car. Let's go ahead and turn it on. We're gonna turn on our AC, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what you guys need to do. Let me go ahead and turn it on. We're gonna put our AC on high. Like I said, recycle, high. I'm gonna put it for forward and legs so it could do the bottoms too. Let me make sure that we're having cold air up here. Cold air up here. This is actually blocked, so we need to open these up. Thank God I checked. Now we're good. This is open, and this side's open. So now that we have everything open, and we have this high, recycle, and forward and bottom as well, we are going to put our windows up. Automatic windows, craziest thing on this JDM cars. So all the windows are gonna be up, and all we have to do, let me throw this away. All we have to do is press this. It's gonna clip on, and we are going to get the heck out of here. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it's just gonna smoke the whole car, and that whole smoke is gonna recycle everything on the inside. Make sure you set a 15-minute timer. With your 15-minute timer, we'll let the car sit with the AC on, and then we'll open up the windows and let it air out. 15 minutes passed by. Now all we're gonna do is turn off the car, put the windows down, and let the car air out. Oh my God, it smells so good. So good. This thing is magic. If you guys haven't tried this, definitely recommend. Just like that, we are completely done with the interior. Dude, this, I don't know, this really makes me happy. Like, it's so crazy to me. Like, honestly, look at the carpets, floor mats. They're the perfect fit. Like, this is OEM plus 100%. The icon, like the badge looks amazing. Everything just came out nice. Look at the shift knob, which honestly, crazy. It even matches the OEM badge for the Evolution. Looks super good. Let me show you guys the rear. This is the rear, which again, looks so crazy. These mats compared to the US like actually cover the whole ground. Like it's all the way from here all the way to the end of the seat, which it's awesome. And then in Japan, I realized Japan, Australia, and I think UK and all of that, they have like this little floor mat for the middle. That's not common in the US, so that looks really, really nice. And the badge, again, looks so cool in OEM. I don't know, just looks really, really cool. I really, really like it. You guys can see the passenger side. Everything came out super nice. I don't know if you guys remember the middle console, how it was super dirty. Look at how clean everything came out. This interior is super mint. If anybody knows or could find me an Evo 9 black, all black steering wheel, I will actually like the Evo 9 steering wheel. If not, I am gonna go with a quick release, a Works Bell or something like that, and then a Momo steering wheel like we did with the GG. But man, this interior looks so good. Now, I really need your help. If you guys could help me down in the comments and let me know what to do. I am in a pickle in deciding whether to keep this seat and keep this interior OEM, or replace these seats with the black Recaros. I don't know if you guys remember those, the ones that I bought. I'll put a video here of those black SR7s. They look really nice. I don't know what to do, either keep OEM or switch it to the Recaros SR7, which are basically the same style seat. We could put these stuff black, do the interior black. I don't know what to do. This interior looks so mint and OEM that I honestly don't know what to do. But if you guys could help me decide, which ones do you guys prefer? The SR7, which are brand spanking new, straight out of the box, and will make everything black, like match everything to the SR7s, which the interior will look new, completely new. I'll upholster the back seats as well, black and everything. But again, the interior is really mint. I'll replace these to black. I like everything black, gray, white. Like, I'm a very simple guy. The fact that I even have a red car is kind of weird for me, to be honest, but I couldn't say no to right-hand drive in the US. So let me know what you guys think. I honestly need your help for that. I'll probably put a poll on Instagram. I'll put a poll on YouTube. I need your help deciding, because I need to decide what I'm gonna do with this interior. But let's go ahead and end the video there. Please help me out in the comments and let me know what you guys think in regards to the seats. Oh, and I almost forgot one last thing. This was supposed to be such a simple video, and here I go. Almost forgot. These things right here, new car scent. I know that the car already smells brand new, but this is kind of like to keep it, maintain it. I use one of these, I'll open it later, and I just put it right here, and it keeps the car smelling brand new instead of having the little tree hanging or anything like that. And that's how I got one of the shots for the video. Instead of having the tree hanging, it just doesn't look right. I like the whole window to look OEM, nothing on it. Like, I already removed all the stickers and everything. We are currently working for the next videos on all the trim pieces and all of that. That video is gonna be really good. Anyways, I'm done talking. Let's go ahead and end the video. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. I hope this video was helpful, informative. I hope I was able to help somebody out. It's crazy to think that I was just gonna put new carpets, put the shift knob, and ask you guys that question. And then as I started working, I'm like, oh, might as well remove the seats. Oh, might as well clean them. Oh, might as well shampoo the interior. And it's like, every single video of mine is planned. Like, something simple, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna show you guys this, and then I end up doing the most. But again, it's what I enjoy. Like, I spent a whole day and a half of my days off working on this, but that interior came out so new, which makes me super excited, to be honest. This build, I just want everything to be so perfect, which sometimes is a bad thing because, you know, it's bad to be a perfectionist, but it's always good to go that extra mile. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video, which should be coming up pretty soon because we're almost done with all the trim pieces. Anyways, like always, keep grinding. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.